Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Blower Motor Asm, part #WB26X30786. GE Blower Motor Asm, part #WB26X30786 is a replacement blower motor assembly for GE brand dryers. This part is designed to replace the original blower motor in your dryer and restore it to its original performance. The motor assembly includes the motor, fan blade, mounting bracket, and wiring harness. It is designed to fit specific GE brand dryer models and is rated at 120 volts and 60 Hz. This part should be installed by a qualified technician. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a blower motor assembly and it can be used to fix symptoms such as a noisy or weak blower motor or no airflow from the vents. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power to the furnace. 2. Remove the screws that hold the blower motor in place. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the old motor and remove it from the furnace. 4. Install the new blower motor in place and secure it with screws. 5. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor and plug in the power to the furnace. 6. Test for proper operation of the blower motor before replacing any access panels or covers on your furnace. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.